Welcome to the world of Jasper AI. Today, we're diving into how this innovative tool is shaping the future of freelance writing. The freelance writing landscape has evolved significantly in 2025, bringing new opportunities and challenges for writers everywhere. Jasper AI enhances writing efficiency and creativity, allowing writers to produce high-quality content faster than ever before. Let's hear from real freelancers who have transformed their careers by integrating Jasper AI into their writing process. We've gathered some statistics to show you the real financial benefits of using Jasper AI, comparing earnings from before and after. Now, let's share some tips on how to maximize your earnings while using Jasper AI effectively. Despite its benefits, freelancers may face some challenges when integrating AI tools like Jasper into their workflow. As we look ahead, let's explore the future trends of AI and how they will further revolutionize the world of freelance writing. Now, let's dive into your questions about Jasper AI and clarify any concerns you might have. In conclusion, Jasper AI presents a tremendous opportunity for aspiring freelance writers who are ready to elevate their game.